the McChangus. It was a pretty big challenge to get this thing to my car because when I purchased it at first, I ate it before I got to the car, so I had to go in and buy another one. I repeated the process about 5 times, so now I'm here on my 6th try, and I really resisted the temptation to snack on it, but now I finally have it here in my hand. But since this is Plump Dog, the gallery consumer, we have to first dip it into the giant puddle of unknown grease at the bottom of my car to give it an extra flavor. Ah, doesn't this look like a wonderful treat? Let's beep this out. Ah, very tasty. It has a very nice texture, and just felt like my heart stopped. Oh, my stomach. I think it was because of the apricot I had today. I think it had a bruise on it before we were filming, so I think that's what's upsetting my stomach. Oh no, it was definitely not the apricot. Oh no. This looked like a wonderful treat. Let's beep this out. Ah, very tasty. It has a very nice texture, and just felt like my heart stopped. Oh, my stomach. I think it was because of the apricot I had today. I think it had a bruise on it before we were filming, so I think that's what's upsetting my stomach. Oh no, it was definitely not the apricot. Oh no. And we are back, my little plumpers. Sorry about that. I guess I had a heart attack in the car. I'm not sure why. Definitely not from the McChangus or anything. But I guess we can review this hospital food, you know? So it had a pretty good texture. It tasted very nice, lots of flavoring. Totally not overpacked with sugar and the gelatin. But I would give this 8.5 plumpers out of 9. So that's gonna do this episode of Plump Dog the Calorie Consumer. See you all next time when we review the specimen sandwich. Plumper out!